So how do you organize your vision board? I have written down 3 points that I can share with you that on how to organize a vision board. First point that I want to tell you is that most vision boards are chaotic. I mean, there is a lot of chaos when people try to create a vision board. You can see a lot of clutter. They pick out pictures and things that they want. Maybe it's not a must-have for them, but it's a thing that they want to add to their vision board, and they collect a lot of pictures of things that they want, and they save it to the computer and dump it on a vision board. It doesn't look good, nor does it actually help you manifest the things that you want out of having a vision board. So the real purpose of having a vision board is to help you get a clear vision on the things that you want, things that you dream, desire, and want to achieve or manifest. And by having a vision board that is clear, clean, is clutter free, you'll be able to create a vision board that helps you actually manifest them. If it's cluttered and full, you will not be able to achieve the things that you want, that you actually put it onto a vision board. So that's point number 1. Remember, do not create a vision board that is cluttered. So here's what I want you to do. Go to canva.com. It's a free platform. Use your Google ID, use your email ID, any email ID that you have, open up an account on canva.com. It's a free graphic design platform. Go and create search for a template. Maybe it can be a desktop wallpaper, it can be a square template that things that you like. So, and go to the left hand element, and you'll be able to see a thing called elements. Click on that, and inside that, you can, on the top, you will be able to type grids. Once you type on grids or frames, you'll be able to find a lot of grids. Take them and add them to your Canva template that you've chosen. And the next step that I want you to do is look for pictures that is going to actually help your vision come to life. It can be things that you want. Things can be around health, wealth, relationship, travel, lifestyle, experiences, anything else that you want. So it can be anything. There's nothing wrong with asking for things that you want. So go and find those images on free websites like Unsplash, Pixabay, and Pexels.com, or even you can use Google's image search. Search for those pictures. If you pick the pictures that you like, and actually you resonate with those pictures, and download them and save them to your computer in a folder that you're going to add to your vision board. So the next thing that I want you to include is make sure to include this year's goals first. Most people create vision boards that are for life, and I've heard of stories, and I've read a lot of things where people share about they've created vision boards, and out of their entire vision board, because it was cluttered and full of things, too many things, they were able to achieve only one thing out of their vision board, and that's a tragedy. So if you can create a vision board for things that you want to achieve this year, write down, put them first on your vision board. So point number 2 is make sure to include the things that you want in this year's goal. And point number 3 that I wanted to consider is include your long range goals. Okay, put them into an ultimate vision board. You can create a vision boards for every single year. So create a vision board for this year, and make sure that it is clean and clutter free, and focus on the core areas of your life that you want to create. So, and the next thing that I wanted to focus on is make sure to include this year's goals first. Make a vision board specifically for this year, and for the things that you want to achieve and manifest this year. And the third point that I wanted to include is, if you're creating a vision board, create an ultimate vision board that includes the long range goals that you want to achieve in your lifetime, or maybe it's 10 years from now, or maybe it's 20 years from now. So add them to your list. Maybe it can be a long range income goal. It can be buying a really expensive car, or buying a penthouse, or it can be anything else. So that's how I want you to create a vision board that is organized. So having an organized vision board is going to help you manifest things faster. It's going to help you get very clear on exactly what it is that you want. So not having a clear vision, a clutter-free vision board is going to help you a lot, and it's going to help you save time. And because things don't manifest when it's cluttered or there's confusion. So I want you to understand that. So this is how you create a vision board that is clutter-free, and it is specific to the goals that you want to achieve this year. Maybe you can create vision boards for the next and the following years to come, but have an ultimate vision board that speaks to your long range goals. I hope you've gotten value so far. So check out the link in the description. I've created the vision board mini course. It's really affordable for you. So check it out. I have covered 5 different areas of your life that you must include into your vision board. I've covered over 7 modules, and I've given 5 different bonuses that you can help and create a vision board that actually works, that actually helps you manifest the dreams and desires and goals that you have for your life. It's really affordable, and if you're the first 500 people, I'll be able to feature your designed vision board on the page of the website where I've created the vision board course, and thousands of other people who are going to come into the vision board course in the future are going to take a look at it. Maybe they'll follow you, maybe they will reach out to you via DMs, maybe they may come and visit your website, maybe they may come and reach out to you on social media, maybe they get to be business partners or whatnot. So try to check out the course that's available. It's really affordable, and it's going to help you create the vision board of your life. And yeah, there are over 7 modules, and there are over the links in the description below, and sign up for it. Make sure to keep your vision board clutter free. That's how you're going to manifest and achieve the dreams and desires that you want out of life. So I hope if you like this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment on it, and let me know what else you want me to cover around creating a vision board that actually works. Take care. Bye bye.